We've launched 6 pledges for 2016 to improve our economy, to make sure people have access to training, to make sure that our health service continues to improve, and to make sure our people, our communities, and our nation all become stronger. Our first pledge is to ensure that working families have access to childcare, 30 hours a week, 48 weeks a year for 3 to 4 year olds, because we know how important it is for childcare to be available so people can go to work. We're reducing taxes for small businesses by making sure that the taper that exists on small business rate relief at the moment is extended. That means half of small businesses in Wales won't pay business rates, and 3/4 of businesses will see a benefit. We are pledging to create 100,000 apprenticeships for people of all ages, because we know how important training is, not just for our young people, but also, of course, for people as they go through life and change jobs. We're launching a new treatments fund in the NHS for all conditions, not just for drugs, but for all treatments as well. Where a drug or a treatment is approved, we will make sure that the drug is rolled out quickly across the whole of Wales. We're doubling the capital limit when people go into residential or nursing homes. What does that mean? At the moment, people can keep £23,000. If they have to sell their houses, that will go up to £50,000. That means that people can keep more of their hard-earned money to pass it on to their families after their day. And we're putting 100 million extra into education to continue to improve school standards across the whole of Wales, building on the great results we've had this year and our literacy and numeracy framework. And we're doing this on the basis of the 5 pledges we made in 2011, pledges that we've kept, and we're saying to the people of Wales, what we say we'll do, we'll do. We did it in 2011, we'll do the same in 2016.